Welcome to Unit 192 at Swanson Meadows. This home has been meticulously maintained and offers a true open concept layout. Perfect for everyday living and ideal for entertaining. It's hard to find such a spacious layout in a single family home, never mind a condo. We're located right by the 9-hole golf course at Swanson Meadows and convenient to Route 3, 495, and the commuter rail. Take a look inside and enjoy the tour. My name is John from the Ternullo team at Leading Edge Real Estate. For more information on this great home, or if you'd like to see it in person, or if you're considering a move in the suburbs north of Boston, give us a call at 617-275-3379. Be sure to like our Facebook page to stay in the know of other great properties coming on the market soon, and to learn more about our team, visit our website at ternullorealestate.com.